Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. The 2026 Audi R8 Successor marks a bold new chapter in the history of Audi's performance division. With the beloved R8 nearing the end of its production cycle, Audi has set its sights on the future, one that is electric, powerful, and unmistakably refined. This new all-electric supercar aims to retain the essence of the R8 while delivering a groundbreaking driving experience through cutting-edge technology and sustainable performance. Replacing an icon like the R8 is no small feat. First introduced in 2006, the original R8 quickly became a symbol of precision engineering and everyday usability blended with exotic car performance. Its naturally aspirated V8 and later V10 engines were praised by enthusiasts around the world. But with the automotive world transitioning rapidly toward electrification, Audi is taking this opportunity to redefine what a supercar can be in the modern era. Expected to debut in 2026, the R8's successor will be based on a new electric vehicle architecture jointly developed with Porsche, likely the SSP Sport platform. This move allows Audi to combine extreme performance with advanced battery technology, resulting in not only blazing speed but also impressive range and efficiency. Rumors suggest the new model will feature a dual-motor setup, delivering power to all four wheels via Audi's signature Quattro system. Power output is expected to exceed 800 horsepower, potentially launching the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds. One of the most exciting aspects of the R8 Successor is how it aims to retain the thrill and emotional connection drivers expect from a supercar. Audi engineers are said to be developing a sophisticated software system to simulate the tactile and auditory sensations traditionally offered by combustion engines. While electric cars are often critiqued for their lack of sound and character, Audi plans to use a custom-engineered sound profile, dynamic torque vectoring, and a highly responsive chassis to deliver a visceral experience behind the wheel. Design-wise, the new electric supercar will remain true to the bold and futuristic look that made the original R8 a design icon. Expect sharp lines, wide haunches, and aerodynamic efficiency refined through advanced wind tunnel testing. The cabin will focus on minimalism, technology, and premium materials, likely incorporating augmented reality displays, biometric driver settings, and next-generation infotainment. Sustainability will also play a significant role. Audi is committed to producing this vehicle at a carbon-neutral facility, using recycled materials wherever possible and emphasizing a circular economy. This aligns with Audi's broader strategy to become a fully electric brand by the early 2030s. For fans of the R8, this successor offers a bridge between legacy and future. It honors the spirit of Audi's motorsport success while stepping boldly into a new age of automotive performance. Whether on the road or the track, this new model promises to be a technological marvel, blending lightning-fast acceleration, intelligent software, and an emotionally engaging drive. As we look ahead to 2026, all eyes are on Audi. If the R8 Successor delivers on its promises, it could very well redefine the electric supercar segment and set a new benchmark for what's possible when heritage meets innovation.